Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share ultimate guide to design creative and functional kids bedroom designs. From whimsical themes to smart storage solutions, we explore innovative ideas that will transform any child's room into a magical sanctuary. Whether you're looking to spark your child's imagination with a space themed decor or maximize play area with clever furniture arrangements. Our experts share expert tips and DIY hacks to inspire and personalize every corner. Join us as we delve into vibrant color schemes, interactive wall designs, and cozy reading nooks that makes bedtime stories even more enchanting. Get ready to unleash your creativity and create a dreamy bedroom for your kid. Will love to call them their own room. I hope these designs are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.